Step 3. Transducer. Connecting the transducer. If necessary, lower the locking lever to release. Insert the transducer connector into the transducer port. Lift the locking lever to lock the transducer. Transducer extension port. Check if you press the freeze key to freeze the image. If necessary, push the locking lever leftward to release. Insert the transducer connector into the extension transducer port. Push the locking lever rightward to lock the transducer. To disconnect the transducer, check if you pressed the freeze key to freeze the image. Push the locking lever leftward to release the transducer. Pull out the transducer connector from the transducer port. To activate transducer, press transducer key on the control panel. The dialog box for transducer and application selection appears. Move the cursor to select a desired transducer, application, and preset using the trackball. Press the Set key to fix it.